Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showcasing my another app, BibTeX Manager. And let's just open the app and it will be mainly a how-to tutorial. Let's just click on this button to add a new entry. Let's enter the title as Zotero and now let's select the BibTeX file. I've already synchronized the BibTeX file with my Android storage. The file is rfatscode.bib. Okay, and the file type is x-bibtex. Okay, now just click on OK and just click on Zotero. Now the BibTeX parser that formats all the entries which are present in BibTeX in this entries format. Now you will be shown two buttons to the right. So one is this file button and second is this link button. Clicking on this link will directly open the URL in your favorite browser, and clicking on this file will open the PDF if you have set the path. Now let's just set the path, that path and select the folder in which you have synchronized all your files. Okay, now let's just click on the PDF icon and it will directly open the PDF file. Now these other options. Now this is style manager. It shows all the styles that are used for showing this bibliography for that specific item, and you can edit the path substitution and you can also search it, like I want to search dairy, or I want to search the tag red, and I want to search the files which are tagged carrier. Okay, all right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.